Brian Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today I'm here to show you how to field strip your Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield Plus. Now before we take apart any firearm, we want to double check, make sure that the firearm is unloaded and clear. Point the firearm in a safe direction. We're going to go ahead and drop that magazine, set it to the side, check the chamber is clear, magazine well is clear, and we're good to proceed. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull that slide and leave it to the rear. We're going to take this lever here, we're going to rotate it from the 3 o'clock position down to the 6. Right, it's very stiff. All right, we're going to pull that slide back, we're going to let go, and the slide will not come fully off until we pull the trigger. All right, now we have the frame off. We're going to take that frame, set it to the side, as far as we're going to take it apart for field stripping purposes. We're going to take a spring and spring guide. We're going to compress it just a little bit and pull it up and out of there. Set that to the side. We're going to take our barrel, pull that up and out, set it to the side, and we have our slide. From here, you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to your firearm. Now let's go ahead and get back into reassembly. We're going to take our slide upside down, our barrel upside down. We're going to drop the barrel in, rest into its place. We're going to take our spring and spring guide. The longer, fatter end goes in first at the muzzle end. We're going to insert that, compress that, get it caught in the bottom of that barrel. We're going to put it right side up, and we're going to insert this rail that extends the top portion of the frame, which starts about 1/3 of the way back. We're going to insert that into the back of the slide. We're going to keep it matched up. We're going to pull it all the way back, and we're going to lock it back. Once it's locked back, we're going to rotate this handle on the clock from 6 o'clock back down to 3. All right, and now the firearm has been field stripped and reassembled, but let's do a function check, make sure the firearm is put back together properly. We're going to go ahead, point the firearm in a safe direction. We're going to pull that slide back and let go. We're going to go ahead and pull the trigger and then let go. We're going to do it one more time, pull back on the slide and let go, pull the trigger and let go. Now we're going to do it a little differently this time. We're going to pull the slide back and let go. We're going to pull that trigger to the rear and hold it to the rear. And while holding it to the rear, we're going to pull that slide back, let go. We're going to release the trigger just until we hear and feel that click. Once we hear that click, the trigger's been reset. We're going to go ahead and pull that trigger once more, hold it to the rear once more, rack the slide one last time, release the trigger, and the gun has now been functions checked. For more videos on how to field strip and take apart your firearm, be sure to go to our YouTube channel, PTPGun.com, Firearms Training, and hit that subscribe button as we post new videos each and every Friday to help you know how to take apart your firearm collection. If there's any videos in particular that you would like to see done that are not yet on our channel, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Thank you all again. Stay safe. If you haven't done so yet, go to our website, PTPGun.com, and get to the merchandise tab and pick yourself up a hoodie, a shirt, a hat, or even a decal to support your favorite YouTube channel, PTPGun.com, Firearms Training. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.